Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and welcome to those of you who are new. My name is Brianna Weiler, and today I'm going to be bringing you a video of me unboxing my fall decor items. I will probably be going through some Christmas stuff as well. I'm going to try and declutter some of it so that way this year I can get some newer items that I can keep a little bit longer, because some of my fall decor and some of my most of my Christmas stuff and most of my fall decor have come from the Target dollar spot, and while it is great stuff, the quality isn't always the best. So I'm thinking I will probably go to like Target, TJ Maxx, Ross, Marshalls. I don't know if we have a Marshalls here actually. I don't think we do. But Hobby Lobby has some great things right now, and they have like 40% off all of their fall stuff. So I might grab some stuff from there. I don't want to grab a ton of stuff. I just want enough that I can decorate a little bit around our apartment and get ready for fall. This video will not be a decorating video. It's just going to be me going through all of the stuff that I have that I've collected since I lived at my parents' house till now. And my ideas and styles have kind of changed for the fall and Christmas decorating stuff. So I am going to go through some of my stuff, and whatever I don't feel like fits what I'm thinking I want for decor items, I will end up donating it. So I'll put a pile together of donate stuff, and then I'll pull out my stuff for fall, so that way I know when it comes time to go shopping what items I could use, what things I already have that I can use with newer items. So I am going to pull my boxes, my totes out of here. They're hiding under all of oh, they're back there, the pink ones, the pink tote over here. There's two of them there. I'm gonna pull them out and see what I have. I already have one that's out, and I know for sure there is some pumpkins in there, but it's also Christmas stuff, and that bin I had bought to be a Christmas bin. So I am going to go through that and see. I also have like a little Christmas tree up there that I bought when I lived with my parents for my own bedroom, and I have a large Christmas tree now that me and my husband have our own apartment, and we, that's our Christmas tree. So I'll get rid of the little one. I think I'm going to donate it, or I am donating it to one of my teacher friends at work for her classroom. So that way at Christmas time, she can decorate her classroom and have a cute little Christmas tree. And it has like little ornaments I bought too. So those will be going and being donated to the preschools, the local preschools. So sometimes when you have extra stuff, you can always check at your local preschools and they may need it. Some preschools don't do holiday stuff, but a lot of them do decorate somewhat for like fall and winter and whatnot. Others will decorate for Christmas and all of that. So just a little helpful tip for you guys. Let me get these boxes out of the closet. So I'm going to start going through these. I'm pretty sure one of these bins is empty and has absolutely nothing in it. My clean bedding for the guest bed goes in one of these, so I know for that it'll probably be out of the picture. I have this one. There's three of them. So the bottom one here, this one, and this one all have stuff in them. But one of my bins I remember dedicating strictly to arts and crafts stuff, so it probably won't have any decor in it, but I will open it up and see what I have in there, and I'll take you along on my journey of going through what I do have. So that's the empty box. Let's see, we'll just start with what I think is my art supply box, because the lid itself says art supplies on it. I labeled it with a piece of masking tape, even though I'm pretty sure that bin over there actually has the word art supplies like written in Sharpie on the side. So I might need to switch up my bins. But yeah, this one looks like my crafting bin. I have extra command hooks. So if I do want to get cute little signs, like fall signs to put on the wall, I could use these, and they come off super easy. So these command hooks I would suggest for using for picture frames and holiday decor stuff that you can put up, like you can stick it on the back of it, like the wooden signs and stuff, because it just pulls right off and doesn't tear the paint off or whatever's on your decor pieces. So I would use these and suggest them. I will keep those out. It looks like I have a ton of Tulle, because I used it for making, well, the pink stuff I got for making a tutu, and probably some of the black even, for making a tutu for a baby shower or birthday party was a first birthday gift. I made a tutu and a cute little onesie that said her name on it, and I have these left over from that. I may donate them to the preschool and see if they need that, because I don't think I will use hot pink tulle again. And then I have other colors in here that I used when I made my fall wreath that I have somewhere in here that I'm gonna pull out so that way I can swap out my holiday one. I have a red, white, and blue one that I have up for Memorial Day, 4th of July, and I was gonna keep it up till Labor Day, and then I switch out all of my decor to the holiday stuff. I have these little droppers from when I did essential oils. Don't need those. I can probably donate those. Most of this stuff in here is not holiday related, so I'm gonna put that stuff back, put the lid back on it, because I don't currently need any of my arts and crafts stuff, so I will put that away. I know what I do have. These are for Christmas time that I have, that I had bought forever ago and was gonna use them to make different things. They're adhesive wood stickers, or adhesive wood shapes is what they're called. I bought them in the dollar spot at Target forever ago. They were $3 a piece. Those would be good for like doing crafts with kids at home. And then I have this banner that was $3 in the dollar spot at Target forever ago, which was probably 2-3 years ago probably. And it's just a banner. It's 72 inches. I was thinking I could use these to decorate this, but then I realized they were a little small. So I'm gonna figure something out for this. If I had a cricket, it would be good to make like a cute little sign with the cricket, but I'll probably figure something out for that. And that is it for holiday stuff in this bin. I have so many random things. Oh, elastic. That was from when I made the tutu. So it's mostly art supplies like I thought. So I'm gonna push that one back and drop some tulle on the ground. Push that one back over that way. This one feels light, but there's definitely something in it. So, oh, that's right. I have pillows from last year. I used this pillow in our Christmas card pictures, wishing your family a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I used that for like a cute little decorative piece in our pictures and took our own at home since it was in the middle of the madness last year. So I have that pillow for Christmas, and I think I'll keep that one. I bought it in the dollar spot. I think they were like $5, so it's not too bad. And then I got this one last fall, Apple Orchard and Pumpkin Patch. It's reversible, so I'm gonna probably put that out for fall very soon. These are labels for presents, which I don't currently need because it's not Christmas time. Valentine's wreath. I like my wreaths on my doors. I made this wreath forever ago, and then I added the J to it and just painted it green to match. And the story behind the J was not like it's not the family like the last name, because my maiden name started with the G. My husband's last name, which I have now currently, is Weiler, and that's a W. But my husband and his roommate, both, when I met him, both are named James. So I put a J in the wreath. That way when we put it on the door, it wasn't like I was excluding him, and it still works because James still starts with a J, but I might try and find a W. But I believe I bought it at Hobby Lobby and then just painted it a green color to match the green on the wreath. This isn't really a Christmassy green. It's more of like a neon lime green, but it works. And then I also have lights on it, not that you can see them very well. Oh yeah, I have little twinkle lights from Target on it. I added to them last year, and it was fairly cheap for a pack of the lights, so I just wrapped it around and I've left it on there. Kind of looks like a spider web, which would be pretty cool on my fall wreath. So I have Christmas wreath, Valentine's wreath. There it is, my fall wreath. I made the wreath part when we moved in here, so about 2 years ago, and then I went to the dollar spot and bought a bunch of pumpkins, and then I just hot glued them on to the wreath, and they've stayed on. I think I might try and find twinkle lights again this year and add them to it, because the twinkle lights on this one have a timer. They will come on automatically every so often, so I was thinking I could put one on here. They have like a little battery pack that I zip tied to the back, but you can't quite, you can kind of see it in there, but I tried putting it with the black tulle that I had on it. But yeah, so there's my fall wreath. I will probably reuse that one for quite some time. I have Valentine's window clings, the gel clings from the dollar spot at Target. So I do have Valentine's. I have a pumpkin that I love. I bought this one last year. It's the buffalo check, the black and white, and I love the print, so I will be definitely using this one again. It was $3 at the Target dollar spot. You can't beat their pumpkins. They're pretty good quality for what they are. It's pretty solid. This one I'm pretty sure was $3 as well. I got it at the Target dollar spot probably 3 years ago, maybe 4. I've had it for quite some time. And then I also have this one, same deal. Got them about the same time. And then I had a pack of little mini pumpkins that I used to decorate in my, I have a cake stand that I got for our wedding, and I flipped the cake stand bottom upside down and I put the lid inside of it, and so it's like a little bowl, and I have some pumpkins and apples in that, and they've been there since last year. I forgot to take them out because it's in our little cabinet with glass. I'll have to show you guys when I'm decorating. So I have more little pumpkins from the Target dollar spot. A bag of them was like $3 or $5, but it was a bag and it was like full of the little pumpkin and decorative. This pumpkin was $3, the tabletop pumpkin from the dollar spot, but it has seen better days, so I may be getting rid of this one. It's made out of foam, so there's like a little gash in it. Last year I just turned it the other way and you still used it. We'll see. I may use it again. I may not. This is what I used last year for Memorial Day. 4th of July, I kept it up for quite some time. I needed this on the thing to hold it up there, but it's a cute sign. I've had this one from the Target dollar spot for, actually it says the year it came from, it February of 2018, so it was probably not February, but that's what the sticker says, and it was $3. So Target dollar spot is definitely a good place to get some things. I've been wanting to hang this sign up for Christmas time because of the little pine trees, and Adventure is Waiting is just a cute little sign. I had it up in our old apartment when we lived in California. So that is it for this bin. I'm gonna put away my Christmas stuff. This clear bin. All right, so I readjusted. I was sitting on my knees and it was hurting. The carpet does not feel comfortable kneeling down. So now I'm gonna go through this bin, which has a mixture. I can see through it. I have some pumpkins in here. I have my Christmas ornaments and stuff like that is in here that I'm gonna need to take out. But I only have a few more fall pieces. I love this one. It's kind of smeared though. My favorite season is pumpkin spice. This I had up, when was it? Not last fall, the fall before, so 2019 when we first moved in. I had this piece out on my TV stand and it stayed there until last Christmas when I took down my fall decorations for putting Christmas stuff up. So this was just sitting out. It's a cute little decorative piece. I paid like $1, I think, for it. Me and my best friend got them, I think, and matching. I might paint over the white part a little bit because the orange is kind of smudged, but I might just make it work because I like it. It's cute. I'll probably use that still. These were one of my favorite pieces I got last year. These little, they're ceramic pumpkins. These ones were $1 for these little ones. And I like that they're more of like, not like the bright orange pumpkin. So they're not like this color, like the bright color. They're more of like a subtle, I want to say like a neutral color. This one's obviously neutral, but this one's not like super bright and flashy. This is more of like a bright flashy green, and then I have this. So I have those for decoration this year that I will definitely be using again. And I also got white and an orange. Oh, I thought it said the color on it. Nope. So I got white and orange. I just liked the way they looked and the fact that they were ceramic and would probably last me quite some time. I thought it would be a good idea to get them last year, and I'm happy that I have them. So I may get rid of some of my little foam pumpkins, but maybe I'll just paint them. Maybe I'll try and get some paint and paint them. I kind of want like a glittery pumpkin, so maybe I'll paint it and like put glitter on it, because I don't know. I like having some things that are kind of glittery. Like my wreath has some glitter on it, like it's the orange one, I think, is like super glittery. And I love having just like a little bit of sparkle to stuff. So I have those. And then I have the big guy, which I liked these ones because I could use them on my island right by my sink, and if water got on them, it wasn't gonna ruin them. Like the foam ones they would probably not last me very long if I would have done that last year. So I like the fact that these are glass and they will last some time. I love having pumpkins out for fall. They're good for fall and for Halloween, so they last quite a while for decor pieces. I kind of want to add like, not floral pieces, but I've seen a few other YouTubers have done fall videos like decor items and shop with me's, and Hobby Lobby has these really cute like wheat pieces, I think. I don't know what they're called, but they're like little picks with the wheat on it, and then you can put in a cute little vase or whatever. And I might grab some of those in like some amber jars and just like use those as little decorations around our living space. That's like the one thing I kind of really want to add, and then maybe like a cute little like pumpkin patch sign or something. But I will see whenever I do a Hobby Lobby shop with me, because I'm going to be bringing you guys a couple of shop with me's for fall decor and fall items at Target and Hobby Lobby. I'll probably do one at TJ Maxx. Target will be coming this month. I think I'm gonna wait till next month to do Hobby Lobby and TJ Maxx, just because it's still August. It's not quite fall yet. I don't want to go too far into fall too soon. So I'll have some of those videos for next month and just bring you some fun fall things. So, and I know I've heard that Michael's sometimes has good deals, but they're typically a little bit more pricey, but I might go check out and see what they have. At least show you a shop with me there. But yeah, so what else I have in here? I don't think there's any more fall stuff in here. Oh. These are the mini ornaments that I had said in the beginning of the video that I was gonna donate the mini ornaments and the Christmas tree to my co-worker. And then I even have like a little mini tree skirt. It's a cute little, and it's glittery. So I figured I would donate these things to my work just because the kids like that kind of stuff around the holidays. Lots of string just randomly in a bag. Oh, and it has a cute little tree topper. So it's glittery. I'm gonna have glitter everywhere for days now. I have another little sign that I had bought in the Target dollar spot that I kept. I think it says Slay All the Way or something like that. It's for a Christmas one. So I will put that in here. But I think that is all for my fall decor. I hope you guys really liked this video. I enjoy filming videos and taking you along with me on little daily tasks like this, and I hope you guys enjoy it as well. I hope you guys have a great week, and I hope you guys are ready for fall content, because I will be bringing you guys tons of fall videos next month though. I think this will be my only, maybe one other fall video this month, but I'm gonna try and keep it minimal because I know some people do not want the holidays to come or the seasons to change. So I just want to be mindful of that too. So I hope you guys really like this video. If you did like it, please give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, and tell me when you decorate for fall. If you decorate end of August, beginning of September, middle of September, let me know when you decorate for fall. Are you an early decorator for holidays? Has that changed over time? Let me know. And I hope you guys hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys have a great week, and I will see you on the next one. Bye!